Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can fix the issue of iPhone being stuck on white screen. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Well, in order to fix the issue of iPhone stuck on white screen, first off you need to make use of a software called iFixer that comes from the house of Wooteki, who are known for making easy to use and trustworthy softwares for iPhones, iPods and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the iFixer is a reliable and effective tool to fix most common software related issues easily, quickly and without any data loss. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. On the homepage you get to see is two options that basically are the modes which are being provided to you, and you can use any one of them according to your system problem. In this video we'll try to fix the issue with standard mode. But before we begin with fixing the problem of iPhone stuck on white screen, first off you need to connect your iPhone to the PC, and secondly we need to enter recovery mode as recommended to ensure a safe and a secure repair. The standard mode is capable of fixing most common iOS issues without any data loss, and since the iDevice has already been connected to the PC and has entered recovery mode, the iFixer software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Once the firmware has been downloaded, the process of verification and extraction of the firmware package will begin. Once done, just tap on Start to let the software begin the process of repair. And just after the process of repair is completed, the connected device will restart. And that's it. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.